Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, the powerful language model that can help you generate income in a variety of ways. In this video, we'll be discussing the different ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. We'll show you how you can apply the power of ChatGPT to your specific industry and how it can help you to make money. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the potential of ChatGPT and learn how you can start making money today. 1. Content creation. Use ChatGPT to generate unique content, such as articles or blog posts, that can be sold or used to drive traffic to a website. Are you looking for a way to generate unique and high-quality content for your website or business? Look no further than ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can easily create SEO-friendly blog posts or product descriptions for your e-commerce site. The generated content can help improve your website's search engine ranking, increase engagement, and attract more visitors. But that's not all. You can also use ChatGPT to generate articles or other written content that can be sold to publications or websites. It's a great way to make money while saving time and effort on content creation. Of course, it's important to proofread and edit the generated content before publishing to ensure it meets the standards of quality and accuracy. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate high-quality content for your website or business. Try it out today and see the results for yourself. 2. Chatbot development. Use ChatGPT to generate dialogue for chatbots or virtual assistants that can be used to improve customer service, sales, and support for businesses. Are you looking for a way to improve customer service, sales, and support for your business? Look no further than ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can easily create natural and engaging dialogue for chatbots and virtual assistants. The model can generate responses to customer inquiries, assist with sales, and provide support. This can help to improve customer satisfaction and increase sales. ChatGPT can also be used to generate dialogue for interactive voice assistants, such as Amazon Alexa or Google Home, to make it more engaging and human-like. This can be an additional revenue stream for your business. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate natural and engaging dialogue for chatbots and virtual assistants. Try it out today and see the results for yourself. 3. Interactive media. Use ChatGPT to create story or script for games, chatbot, or other interactive media and sell them to game development companies or other clients. Are you a game developer or interactive media creator looking for a way to generate unique and captivating stories and scripts? Look no further than ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can easily create engaging and captivating stories and scripts for games, chatbots, or other interactive media. The model can generate unique and compelling storylines, characters, and dialogue that will keep players or users engaged. Not only that, but you can also sell these stories and scripts to game development companies or other clients looking for fresh and engaging content. It's a great way to make money while saving time and effort on content creation. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate captivating stories and scripts for games and interactive media. Try it out today and see the results for yourself. 4. Research and data analysis. Use ChatGPT to generate summaries of large amounts of text data or to identify patterns and trends in data, which can be used for research or to provide insights to businesses. Are you a researcher or data analyst looking for a way to quickly and efficiently process large amounts of text data? Look no further than ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate summaries of large amounts of text data, making it easier to understand and analyze. The model can be used to identify patterns and trends in data, which can be used for research or to provide insights to businesses. In addition, ChatGPT can also be used to extract insights from customer reviews, emails, and social media posts. This can help businesses to understand customer sentiment and make data-driven decisions. With ChatGPT, you can easily process large amounts of text data and extract valuable insights. Try it out today and see the results for yourself. 5. Consulting. Offer consulting services to businesses or organizations on how to use ChatGPT to improve their operations or generate revenue. Are you an expert in looking for a way to help businesses improve their operations and generate revenue? Look no further than ChatGPT Consulting. With ChatGPT Consulting, you can offer your expertise to businesses and organizations on how to use the model to improve their operations or generate revenue. You can help businesses to understand the capabilities of ChatGPT and how it can be used to create content, generate dialogue for chatbots, interactive media, research and data analysis, and much more. You can help businesses to identify the most appropriate use cases for ChatGPT and provide guidance on how to implement the model within their operations. This can save businesses time, effort and resources, which can help to increase their revenue. With ChatGPT Consulting, you can help businesses to improve their operations and generate revenue. Use your expertise to make a difference and start your consulting service today. 6. Building and selling your own application. You can use GPT-3 to build an application and sell it to clients or offer a subscription-based service. Are you a developer or entrepreneur looking for a way to build and sell your own application using the power of GPT-3? Look no further than ChatGPT. With GPT-3, you can easily build an application that can generate content, dialogue, summaries, insights and more. The possibilities are endless. You could create chatbots, interactive voice assistants, language translation apps, content generation tools, and much more. Once you have built your application, you can sell it to clients or offer a subscription-based service. With GPT-3, you can offer high-quality and unique features that will attract more users and generate more revenue. With GPT-3, you can easily build and sell your own application. Try it out today and see the results for yourself. Now that you know the different ways you can use ChatGPT to make money, it's important to remember that these are just a few examples. Depending on your skill set and industry, there may be other ways to use ChatGPT to generate income. That's why it's crucial to do research and consult with experts in your field to determine the best way to use ChatGPT to make money. By understanding the capabilities of the model and how it can be applied to your specific industry, you can make the most of its potential and find new opportunities for revenue. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore new possibilities. With ChatGPT, the sky's the limit. Start your research today and see the potential for yourself.